Conduct of a wise leader. What a wise leader need to do. Quickly understand and classifies the people into three categories: exceptionally competent, above average, and ordinary. So, ordinary, more than that, above average, then highly competent. The three categories of people. Look at work of following. First category, work of strategy and important to first. Second, work of modern complexity to the two, and other two routine work issue. Manage a first category of Asama, and the second with Dana, and other by Bheda and Danda. So you can exceptionally only by Sama you can control. The above average by Dana you can control. In ordinary you can control only by Veda and Danda. If you know what is Sama, what is Dana, what is Veda, and what is Danda, you can be a wise leader.